How to sell beats online. 3 easy ways. Let's get it. Yo, what's going on? This is your boy Ceasar of 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐫𝐞. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit that notification bell because we will have new videos uploaded every single week. Let's get right into it. So 3 easy ways to sell your beats online. Number 1, simply have bulk deals. So maybe have like a buy 1, get 3 free, buy 2, get 4 free, or whatever. So you want to have a very compelling offer for the buyer. With that all being said, me personally, I typically will increase my price a little bit more if I'm giving a bigger bulk deal out. So maybe if I have like buy 1, get 9 free, I may set my beats at like 30 bucks. So when you come in, they see, okay, it's priced a little higher, but you could get 9 beats for 30 bucks or whatever the case may be. Now, in doing that, I might do it for the MP3 lease, maybe 30 bucks. Maybe if you want the wave, it might be like $50. And if you want the wave, the track outs, and the unlimited rights to the beats, I might price it at like $100. That's a very, very powerful method, you guys. Putting price points on your beats and when to actually put out the bulk deal is very important. So if you're setting your prices a little higher and you want to do a bulk deal, maybe do like $40, $30, maybe even $50 to where you give them a lot more beats for a very little small price. And that small price may be like $50. I don't know, buy 1, get 10 free or whatever the case may be. And if you're going for like a bulk deal, like buy 1, get 2 free or buy 1, get 3 free, maybe just lower the price a little bit just so they still can have a good deal on what they're buying. So that's a very simple way of just selling more beats, just right off the rip on just doing that. Reason number 2, simply just upload more beats, you guys. Upload more beats to where, you know, you're letting your buyers know that you're uploading on a very consistent base, not 1 a week or maybe 2 a week. You want to let them know and communicate with them that you upload maybe 5 or 10 a week. So simply uploading beats as much as you possibly can really help you in making sales because it gives the buyer a lot of opportunity to pick through the beats that they want, and they know you upload consistently every single week. So doing that, you want to make sure you provide them with a lot of beats. So uploading a lot of beats on a very consistent base will help increase your sales significantly. Last but not least, reason number 3, another great way is simply making sure you stay in contact with your buyers. So with that being said, if you have maybe like an email list and you let your buyers know that, hey, you know, we uploaded some new beats, you can go check it out. Letting your buyers know that you have new beats is super important. So basically, you know, maybe if you have like a SoundCloud, or I don't know, maybe if you're on Facebook or Twitter or wherever you post your beats, or however you communicate with your buyer, you need to let them know that you uploaded beats. So with that being said, the way I let my buyers know is I have an email list. So every single time that I upload beats, I simply just let my email list know, hey, I uploaded some beats. I may have a description on what the beats may sound like, things of that nature. I may have a deal going on, and I let them know. So communication is very key, that you uploaded beats and maybe they might want to go check it out. So having an email list, you guys, is super important when it comes to selling your beats online. Basically, you want to be able to communicate with your buyer. You want to let them know, hey, I uploaded some new beats, you might want to come check it out. Or maybe if you have like a Facebook page, you might want to put on your Facebook post that you uploaded a couple of new beats and they can go check it out. And having an email list, or maybe if you have a Facebook page, some way of letting them know that you uploaded new beats. So communication is very key to selling beats online. I hope you found all this useful and put it to use and start selling beats. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the notification bell. You guys, we're trying to really build this community, and I will have more videos posted soon. I'll holler at you. Be blessed. Peace.